How to get Temu promo code for free. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Let's head over to Safari for now. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for Temu promo code 2024. You will be landing on Space. Scroll all the way down and tons of different sites will be visible to you. You can head over to any one of it. Let me move into this one. Click on it. In here, tons of different offers and discount will be visible to you. You can look into them and then click on any of the offer that will be suitable for you. Once you click on it, you will be able to see that the promo code is available to you now. You just have to copy this promo code. Once you have copied, now you can head over to your application DoorDash and then apply this promo code. After that, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get Temu promo code for free. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.